Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. It's your girl Runa, and today we are doing another wear test product review. Another day, another dollar, that type of thing. No, I'm just kidding. No, honestly, like, we're just gonna be reviewing the Maybelline Tattoo Brow product. You guys know I have an obsession with brow products, so I thought that this would be the perfect time to test something cool out. I haven't seen something like this in the drugstore ever. So this is flammable until it dries. Does anybody have a concern with that? Well, my hairspray is flammable. I swear my hair is flammable. Like, my hair will catch on fire any day. So we're going to go ahead and test out this Tattoo Studio. I got this in the shade medium brown, and Tattoo Studio, it's new. It's a waterproof brow gel, and it's 90% people saw fuller, thicker brows. 93 said gel does not transfer. We'll see about that. Let's go on to our trusty phone and let's go on to Ulta and let's see what Ulta says. So it's called Maybelline Tattoo Studio Waterproof Eyebrow Gel. It has 4 colors. I got the medium brown. They didn't have a deep brown, but I think deep brown would have been more of my color. But I got impatient. Fill and color your eyebrows with this Ulta Resistant Maybelline Tattoo Waterproof Eyebrow Gel. The sculpting tip and eyebrow spoolie work together to create fuller looking brows that last for days. It does not smudge, does not transfer. 88% would recommend to a friend. Now you guys are my friends, so let's see if I'm part of that 88%. But why would 88% recommend it? Like, I mean, if this was so great, like, don't you think like 90%? I don't know. I mean, we'll see. Let's not be negative. And it looks like it has pretty good reviews, 64 reviews. And so anyways, we're gonna go ahead and open this. And when I open it, by the way, it does come in with a spoolie. It comes with a spoolie in the packaging, so have no fear, you guys. Now I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I guess it's like a little sponge applicator, and it has like little fibers in it, so it's pretty interesting. So according to, oh, and look it has instructions on the box. Instructions on the box. I love when products have instructions on it. Like, that's my ultimate obsession. So it says pro tip, remove excess formula from tip. So it says to remove the excess formula from tip. So we're going to remove the excess formula. Short, smooth strokes start mid-brow. I'm going to give this a little brush with the spoolie. And let's see how that goes. I have a lot of hair right here. I don't have hair over here. So I'm going to start in my bald areas. Brush those. Ooh, wow. I actually like that. Okay. It's kind of cool. Like, it looks like it has like little brow particles in it. Oh my god, you guys. I need to like get closer so you guys could see it. Don't worry, I'm going to get a zoom lens soon. Right now I have a prime lens, but I'm going to get a zoom lens soon because I need to get in closer for you guys. Oh my god. It does have a permanent marker smell. Just FYI if anyone's sensitive to smell. But this is hecka cool. Oh my god, that is so cool. That was so quick. And what did I do to the spoolie? Okay, I hate. This is like too small. This is too easy for me to lose. And then I'm blending it out. What I do like though is how it covers, it blends like the front part really well. I really like that because I have a hard time with my front. Very natural, very pretty brow. I don't find it to be ridiculous at all. Definitely the wear test is where we're gonna learn if this is even worth it. But I'm kind of scared that my brows are gonna like rip off. But I'm not going to be negative. I think this product is definitely like amazing for people who have a little bit more fuller brows and you just want like, you know, just a quick little filler in, and you don't want it to look too intense, but you want it to just look nice and natural. I definitely think this is for those people. A quick cleanup with my concealer. You know, this is something I do with all my brow products. So I can't necessarily compare the cleanup part to anything because I do this with all my brow products. So my first impression of this product is wow. It's pretty amazing. I feel like my brows look pretty good. I've always had a real hard issue with my front parts of my brows because they're a little uneven. I feel like I just have a weird front part of my brows that I always have a hard time with filling in. They're either super filled in or they're not filled in correctly. Just always it's a hard time for me. And with this product, I felt like I was able to fill in the front part like really nicely. At the same time, it doesn't look super harsh. And that's always a big concern for me. I do not like when my brow products look harsh. I'm really into having like a nice natural, defined brow, but it's natural. It's not super bold and like in your face. That's why I tend to always wear a shade lighter. So this is a shade lighter, but I think it looks perfectly fine. This shade is good for my skin tone. I don't think there's anything wrong with it. I do like how a little bit of your skin still shows through in your brows because it keeps it nice and natural. So now I'm just going to go ahead and do a wear test on this, you guys. I'm going to wear it throughout the whole day, and I'll be back with little snippets of how it's performing during the day, and my final verdict will be all the way in the end. Hey guys, what's up? Now I am going to do a little, wear test and tell you guys how my brows performed for the Brow Tattoo by Maybelline. You guys, do you not see this? That is still a perfect brow. I've had these brows on for 8 hours and it said it's transfer proof and not a single transfer, and they haven't faded at all. This is pretty amazing. I find these brow products pretty solid. I think this is going to be my new favorite brow product because it just makes my brows look slay. Anyways, I think this Maybelline Brow Tattoo product is amazing. Application was really easy, so I would give this product a 5 out of 5. A 5 out of 5, you guys. Totally Runa approved. Totally like buy. You definitely want to give it a try. Go to your local Ulta, although I think you would be better off purchasing it online. I have my link down below where you can purchase this from Ulta and try this out for yourself because I think you would really like it. So anyways, you guys, that's the end of this wear test. I hope you guys enjoy these wear test videos. Go ahead and leave me a comment, a like, and a share. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bells. And I'm also Glam by Runa on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. I think I should open a Tumblr too. But anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!